In today's video, I'll show how to create Google Tag Manager web and server container. So first, basically type tagmanager.google.com and enter, and here create account. First, give your account name. I give Shopify tracking. So then select your country and then container setup. First, you need to give container name. So I give the name Shopify tracking web. This container I am creating for Shopify tracking. That's why I am giving the name Shopify tracking. And then select web and then create. Here enable this terms and condition and then here. Okay. So this is your tag manager web container, and now server container. Click admin and then here you can see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon and give this container name like Shopify tracking server and click server and then create. This is it. This is how you can create both client side and server side container very easily. Thank you.